to do that.
Next one. Close it.
What are those?
Funnel.
Ah, that is puzzle. Puzzle yun din.
May pato.
Yeah, you want?
Yes.
Oh, this is puzzle.
Maki pato.
You want to do the puzzle now?
Yes. Maki pato.
Wait lang, I'll look at the season.
My the funnel.
Yeah. You know how to make puzzle?
Yeah.
Give it to mommy. I will give you one by one. This is your board. Where you will put that one? Down, no, down. No, other side. Here, one like this. Next.
Up.
Here, here. Up here, up here. Yeah. Up also. Yes. And then this one. Here. No, not that side. Very good. I cannot see you palagi. Here. Because you make the star all like this. Oh, see? Next.
It's over there.
Here, you make the face of the ate.
Ate.
You fix it on the proper way.
Ate, this is ate and
Kuya.
Kuya.
Here. You make the moon. There is the moon. Yeah. Oh, you make
Jacket.
Okay. Wait lang. Here, like this. And last two. Not like that. You make the rocket complete. Yay! And the last one. Yay! Yay! What are those? What are those? Shapes? What are those?
Planet.
Planets. Next.
Yes, one.
What do you want?
I like this one. This
Oh, you
one,
can make like this, oh.
This one.
This is like this, be, oh.
This one.
Oh, you like this, oh. You can snap the button. Put the button be like this, oh. Wait lang, like this, oh. You put on the button be. Oh. You put the button like this, oh. On this one, oh, on the hole. You put the button and take it out.
This one.
This one is for this one.
Top.
So, this is the shoes. You remove this one. How about the clock? What time is it now? Time to
So,
sleep. Time to sleep. How about your shoes? You can do the shoes, or you can make a ribbon.
ribbon.
Like this, too. You put it there inside. You remove. You put it there inside here first. And then you put it here, B. Here. And then the next one here. And then the next one here. You want the alphabets?
Learn ABCD.
You want to learn alphabets? Wait lang.
This.
Remove.
What last?
What's that?
B.
B for? B for what?
Violin.
Violin. How about this? Show to the camera what letter?
U.
U.
T.
U for?
Umbrella.
Umbrella. This one. D for?
Dog.
Dog.
T.
Later, I will give you mixed letters. To tell me what is this. What's this?
K.
K for?
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Let's go. Yeah, here.
K? Where's the K? Below letter D. Where's K? You find the K.
Next.
Yeah, right there. How about this? What letter is this?
R.
R. R for?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. How about this?
Rabbit.
How about this?
L.
L for? L for what?
What?
What's the letter L? L for?
Lion.
Very good.
It's L.
Nilaglag mo pa eh. Where did you put? There in your feet, oh. L. How about this?
C.
C for?
Tax.
What? How about this?
D.
J for? J for what?
Juice.
Yes. How about this?
O.
O for?
Orange.
Orange.
Orange. Which orange goes? Yeti.
How about this?
G.
G for?
Gorilla.
Gorilla. Wow. Oy, remove your hand. Ah, wala na magunting ko yun. How about this? What letter?
W.
W for?
Watch.
Watch. How about this?
N.
N for? N for what?
Nest.
Nest. How about this? F for?
Fish.
Fish. How about this?
H.
H for? H for what?
Horse.
House. How about this?
E.
E for?
Elephant.
Elephant. How about this?
M.
M for?
Net.
M?
M.
M for what?
Dog.
M? M for what?
Y.
M?
M.
For?
Car.
What is M?
M.
is for M?
M.
What is M?
M.
M for what?
What?
I?
What that?
What is for M?
M.
M what?
What?
I, what is M?
What is M?
M for what?
M for what? Mama.
Ah, very good. This one. What's that?
S.
S for?
The bed.
Ah!
S.
S for?
What that?
S for what?
S for what?
S for what? S for what muna? S for?
S for
I?
my
S for what?
S for what?
I look at there. Oh, what's that there? Where oh the S?